What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? I guess you guys are having a wonderful weekend, and I guess you're preparing yourselves for the next trading week. This is your boy Harlem, and I'm back with another video. So today's video gonna be our weekly outlook for the coming week of the 25th of September up and until the 29th of September. We'll be looking for potential direction in 10 pairs that we always are working on. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share and turn on the notifications so you can get notified every time I upload, and to mostly sign up with the broker that I use with the link on my description. Quick trade. So when you guys hit the charts, you can clearly see that structure of the NAS, we're currently bearish, but we are trading on our intraday support zone, right? So when I now want to show you guys something that I anticipate, it's that you can clearly see that we have a left shoulder and a possible right shoulder formation, right? We see some type of head and shoulders, or rather what I say, we are seeing a possible reversal pattern, right? Not to say this is a confirmed one, or not to say I'm strictly on 100% that this is a reversal pattern, but when we look at the charts and see what's currently happening, you can clearly see that where the NAS is currently trading, it's where it once went to the upside, now coming back again to the very same zone. What are we going to find? Is price going to respect this very same zone and move to the upside, or will we violate the zone and continue moving to the downside based on the possible head and shoulders that we are looking at and based on the support zone that we are currently trading at? So my trade idea stands as simple: we become bullish above neckline, this very same zone, it's our possible neckline for head and shoulders. If price holds this zone, then we're simply staying above and we look to be bullish. But if we get a breakout, then I guess we just need to continue moving to the downside with a break below our neckline, anticipating a continuation further to the downside. So that's my take on the NAS. I'm simply waiting for price to either violate the zone or to respect the zone, and that will be it, right? Looking at the second pair, gold. So gold, I've been saying one thing for over 2 or 3 weeks now, that we're either waiting for bullish or bearish breakout. If we don't get that, then we strictly trade support and resistance, because price has been moving sideways for some time and I just don't want to see much. If we don't get a breakout, then we simply trade our zones, but if we get a breakout, then we simply continue with the direction that price broke out of, either above or below, right? That pair that we're looking at is German 30. German 30, I also won't say much, but when I zoom in the charts, you can clearly see that where price is currently trading, or where we currently are, we are clearly sitting on our support zone, right? Price has been reacting off of this very same support zone for some time, and now that we currently are on this very same zone, what are we going to find from this clean lower low, lower high, lower low, possible lower high, and breakout right there? If we see that price is in a downtrend on our current price and we kind of trading below our support zone, all I can say is let's just look forward for price to continue moving to the downside. But if we stay above this very same resistance, this very same support zone, then I guess we just have to respect price and respect the zone and do what price is trying to tell us or show us. Do you guys get that? But my trade idea is that I'm looking to be bearish below support and be bullish above. Do you guys get that? The fourth pair that we're looking at is USD. So even on USD, if I had to zoom in the charts for some time, you can clearly see that price has kind of violated our resistance again. Price broke below of our resistance, right? So if price broke below of our resistance, and if we're looking at what's currently happening, you can clearly see that we had a lower low and a lower high and a possible break below of this resistance zone, anticipating or possibly telling us that we created a new lower low. All I'm now waiting for is to see if price will respect the zone with a lower high formation to look to continue to the downside. But if we get a break above, then I'll wait for a retest above and look for price to be bullish based on price breaking above resistance and respecting resistance and look to continue. But if we stay below, then I guess I'd have to be more bearish, with my trade idea saying we continue bearish below resistance, like price is already below resistance with our Friday close, right? All we're now waiting for is for price to confirm that we're staying below and looks to continue. But if we get a break above, then I guess I'd have to be bullish. Do you guys get that? That's just plain and simple. No holy grail, no order blocks, change of chart, change of what, change of whatnot, and this and that and whatnot that will get you confused. Just keeping price action so simple, sweet, clean, and legit, right? Looking at the other pair, which is USD CAD. So USD CAD, I leave it as is. I don't have a trade idea. You guys know that if price has already reacted off a certain zone, we don't do anything that's happening in the middle, but unless we get a stronger confirmation. So we're in the middle of our resistance and our support, so I just don't have a trade idea. I was even looking for some type of confluences right there, and it's just making my mind fold. So I won't share what's making me fold because it might also fuck you guys up. So USD CAD, I don't have a trade idea, so we move, right? Tesla, you guys can see the price is in a clean downtrend. One, we were holding this bullish channel, right? Price was holding this bullish channel, right? And then two, price had a breakout, right? And three, prices confirmed the continuation moving to the downside from this very same bullish channel, and this breakout prices confirmed the continuation to the downside. Now all that I'm waiting for, because prices already had a push phase continuation to the downside, I'm looking for some type of exhaustion phase, lower high formation, and anticipate what a continuation move to the downside, right? Without further ado, I just don't have a trade idea. I'm waiting for confirmation, so we move. The other pair is Bitcoin. So my advice, people, is that Bitcoin, I don't see anything. I'm waiting for stronger confluences like that bear momentum or the bullish momentum, and that's where I can put my money to work. Apart from that, price is just moving sideways, and how price is moving, I just don't fuck with it, right? So we move. Bitcoin, Ethereum, same thing with Ethereum. I don't have a trade idea. We move. The other one, it's Litecoin. Litecoin is a bit better than all this pairs because Litecoin has created this intraday zones, and soon to be strong zones, because prices being on this very same zone. I'm just waiting for what? A break and a break, or right, support and resistance, and that will be it. Do you guys get me? Because I just don't have a trade idea. I'm waiting for confirmation. Are we gonna break out or fall to break? Are we gonna break above or fall to break above? And that will be it. So we move. Last but not least, we're having oil. I also don't have a trade idea. I'm waiting for confirmation. Why am I saying that? Because you can clearly see that we've already reacted on our zone, right, which we're looking to be bullish above and be bearish below, right? So if you can clearly see this very same zone, that price had strong momentum moving to the downside on this very same zone. Now that we came back to the very same zone, the 93rd and the 94th level, price reacted, right? So now all that we're waiting for, I'm waiting to come and see, it's that if price has created this intraday zone, if we come back to the zone and fall to break, then I can simply look to continue to the downside. But if we break above this zone, then I'll wait for price to come back right there and give me signs of a breakout or fall to break, and that will be it. Apart from that, I'm waiting for confirmation. I don't have a trade idea. So this will be my trade idea. This will be what I'll be looking for. Not looking for much, not looking for less. Are we breaking? Are we failing to break? Are we staying above or are we staying below? Or are we just doing what price is showing us and we're just gonna follow it? But without further ado, I pray you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I pray that you guys have a wonderful trading week, just to end the week, the month of September, in a great way. But without further ado, don't forget the special offers that are coming up and the special offers that are uploaded, where I'll be sharing free mentorship session. All you just have to do is to sign up with Quick Trade, fund 500 or more, and let us do the rest from there. Give you the skill, give you the education, give you the knowledge, and help you grow your trading account as much as we would like to see you grow your investments. Do you guys get me? But without further ado, don't forget to do the right thing, like and subscribe and share, turn on the notification, and click on the link to the broker that I use. Do you guys get me? That's all I got on this video.